Most welcome, my friend, in our channel. Now we are understand how a DNA molecules can be recognized if they are break. There is some problem, there is some misinterpreting, and there is some repair required in that case. This technique was developed in the Massachusetts General Hospital. A new bioluminescent reporter that tracked DNA double standard breaks repair in the cells, and the team of bioluminescent repair reporter BLRR based on the system can be used monitor DNA repair pathway. So you can visualize inside the lab where the problem is going on. This is a very recent technique, so you can use in the different type of the cancer treatment. Some other breakage happen in the genomic structure, so you can recognize by using this technique. It is very important. Upcoming days it will be more helpful for this research. In this double standard, DNA break repair is a key maintaining both genomic integrity and cell viability. It also plays a very important role in the cancer treatments and including the chemotherapy and radiation therapy. That's why this is very important to understand where the disrupt DNA double standard break happens. A cell can recognize the damage and use the intrinsic DNA damage response, reduce the DNA double standard break caused by the cell death sometimes happen, just like in the cancer cells. Here different other mechanisms where this type of happen, the cells be going to in the wrong way pathway. DNA repair mechanism that promote the drug resistance and occurs in the same malignant analysis. So you can understand what the role of this new techniques. You can understand these applications, the cancer treatment and other applications.